Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. An earthquake breaks the puzzle path into tiny scattered pieces. If the path is not fixed quickly, no one can get home safely. Timo, the word scout, searches for a way to rebuild the path. One small section remains complete and perfectly shaped. A new word becomes important for this task: replicate. Replicate means making an exact copy of something. The same pattern must be repeated again and again. Careful focus helps each section match the original design. Piece by piece, the path returns to its full shape. Timo remembers that to replicate is to copy something exactly, and steady effort makes big repairs possible, reminding him that patience brings success.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.